Welcome back to MSRRC. We're going to get build started, and I'm going to speed this up so I don't bore y'all too bad. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you.
Let's go.
Got the front end built and the rear end built, which wasn't too bad. Pretty similar to everything else. They are real beefy. I like that. And they got some weight to them. Let's see here. The next thing will be look like our transferred case and transmission. Sorry about that. The camera had died on me. Get y'all back up. All more or less all I done is added this side rail here and the battery tray. I only had a little issue with this screw here, getting it started, but other than that, yeah, it's there. Now I'm gonna put the sliders on it, and then we'll go from here. I put these methods on here. Don't like them to keep working loose. I am gonna go with these. I'm gonna glue these on, which are really crazy about it. I will put these on here unless I find another set of wheels. Next video, I'm gonna tear this back apart. Let's get all the holes, everything drilled. I'll tear it apart, get it cleaned up, get it taped off, and we can get some painting done. Until the paint video be out soon. Thank y'all for watching MSR RC.
Turn it up. Let's go.